Are you ready to make test prep fun this year? Hey, it's Angela, the teacher behind Custom Classroom by Angela. The answer is bring mystery picture fun into the classroom.
I love this resource because students are asked to read a passage and then respond to multiple comprehension questions that have similar format to standardized tests, so that they're getting exposure before end of year testing is coming up. It's self-checking so that when the picture looks right, students know that they answered the questions correctly.
Begin by answering a reading comprehension questions, then use the color by number feature to check the answers. Keep students engaged while practicing reading skills at the same time. There's pictures that can have fun all year, or you can bring in a little seasonal fun into the classroom.
If your students love color by numbers as much as mine do, then you'll love this year-long reading comprehension mystery picture bundle.